Today I'm going to be making a delicious recipe from my new book, Eat to Beat Your Diet. It's spiced chicken, rice, and kale. First, we're going to soak the rice with a little bit of water on top while you prepare the other ingredients. First, really mince up 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we're going to chop up a shallot. Quercetin is mostly on the outer rim, so you don't want to be cutting away too much of the skin. Cut up the kale. I usually like to take away the spine. You get the leaves. Heat up some olive oil, garlic, and shallots. About 2 minutes or so. And you want the shallots turn translucent. A teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So these are chicken thighs. I trimmed them of their fat. I stick in that cast iron skillet. Put in vegetable stock. To get that to a nice boil, I'm going to put in cinnamon sticks. Just turn it down to a simmer, and you just simmer that for about 20 minutes. Put the drained rice, sprinkle it all around the pot. Now we're going to actually add coconut milk. Some people think about coconut fat as being unhealthy, but actually it's a reasonable type of fat. Just don't have it too often. Add the chickpeas, and then I'm going to put in the Calabrian chilies and just go ahead and distribute that. Once we get this boiling, turn it down, and you're cooking the rice here, and the rice is now absorbing all these wonderful flavors. I'm going to take the chopped up kale and just put it right on top. Then I'm going to take a half a lime. I'm just going to squeeze the juice of half a lime, and then we just cover it for 20 minutes. Top off, and there it is. Ready to eat. My metabolism feels stronger already.